Good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Like and share and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Today is Thursday, 4th of September. And the weather for today is about 14 degrees. Kaya malamig sa tahinga at sa leeg, everyone. Ay, taglamig winter na dito, everyone. And then, time check. 4:10. Alas 4:10. Still doon pa rin po yung yung diversion pa rin. So, ang nakalagay na nila date is September until September 2. But now it's 10. Oh. Ayan lang. Just wait lang. Wait everyone. So, that's it. And see you when I see you after 5 hours or 6. Parang yan lang. And see you. Bye again. Light her again. And OTD of the day. Dahil malamig everyone. And dito ako sa Big Run. Kasi ayoko sa pavement. Madilim. Baka mabukulan na naman ang tuhod ko, everyone. So, ayan lang. Ayun lang again. Kain tayo, everyone, with my coffee. Breakfast.
Hindi. Titignan ko sana. Hindi, basta matin nakalagay. Puti. Ano?
Okay, everyone, my friend is here already. I am here. Oh, full. It's full. Full. Way out, everyone. 10:31. Yan, na late. The light. Kasi dumaan ako ng bangko. And then, nag-ikot-ikot sa H&M and Marks and Spencer, everyone. So, nearly at home, everyone. Time check. Date na ako sa uwian. Na siguro. Teka. Tingnan natin. 10:42 na, everyone. 10:42. So, that's it. Dried na ang mga lavenders. Pero matagal pa yan. Bye at the moment. Magluto tayo ng egg noodles, everyone. For lunch. Okay. Ayan everyone, grabe, time check, 11:20 na yun, ang lakas ng ulan, kakatapos ko lang magluto. Magkakain kami ni nanay. Oh. Wow! Ha? Wow! Oh. Sa Pilipinas to may bagyo. Ay, bagyo na to, oh, may hangin. Kanina pang umaga ganyan habang nagtatrabaho kami. Oh, no, yung farm, sunflower farm. Oh. Bububog. And lunch time, everyone. Ayun ang kuya, nakuha lang. Ano na, kuya? Yung kanin? Na-in din. Nauna pang natapos are. Kaysa sa doon sa kanin. Naririnig niyo yung ugong. Ayan o. Today is 19 degrees. Rain is coming. And dito tayo. Sa may time check. 3:26 ng hapon. So, ayan o. Super windy dito. Ayan ang lakas. Kung parang may typhoon. Pag gano'n. Diba? So, yun lang. Update everyone. Lakas ang hangin. Let's go to take the train and 2 trains and 5 minutes walk. Going to workplace everyone. Lamig yan. So, yan ang update everyone. Hindi may araw kaya pwede naman hindi mag-sombrero. Pero may bit-bit ako. Nasa bag lang. Yun lang. See you later, everyone. Time check, 15:35, everyone. My first train is already here. I'm gonna catch up in Finchley for the other train.
This station is
My favorite.
Wilson Green.
Way out, everyone. Time check. 16:07. So this is my last stop, and after 5 minutes walk, going to my job site, everyone. This is it. See you after 6 hours, everyone. Ayun, dito maganda. Oh. Mainit, everyone. Sorry. Samo. This is it. Sunny day here in Aldgate. Oh. Ganda, di ba? Walang hangin dito. Parang may it seems that the typhoon is windy. I mean, is in the walls then. It's just in the Brent Frost. It's in the Brent zone. I mean. Maganda dito sa Aldgate. See you later, everyone. Thursday today, everyone. So, yung gabi uwian, meron na naman yung laman. I'm here already. Good. Time check. Uy. (8:03) o 8:04. Alas 8:04. Maaga pa kami. Maaga pa lang kami. Kasi yung building manager gusto nang umuwi. Kaya yun. Ay. So, eto na naman ako. Eto na naman ako. Naglalakad pa uwi. Because papasok na naman bukas. Yes, tomorrow is Friday, everyone. So, medyo maliwanag pa ngayon, o, diba? Kita nyo naman, diba? So, eto ako. Update ko sa inyo. Oh, walang tao sa kalsada. Kaya, dito ako naglalakad. That's it, everyone. See you. Mamaya sa mag-dinner ako. Bye and good night. God bless. I love you all. Dinner time, everyone. Nakalimutan ko maglagay ng ginger tea, everyone. While watching YouTube. Ayan. Good night. God bless. And I love you all.